So this is the umbrella completely opened. It's the size that it said it was, and it looks really nice from here. The only complaint or issue that I had is as soon as we took ours out, this piece here was broken. It is also, we have this really sturdy base, and when it gets windy, we've never had this issue with any other umbrella before, but it will start swaying really fast. So even though the trees just has a little bit of wind, I'm probably going to take this down out of fear of it toppling over.
This is just little water or something?